Hi guys, welcome back. Right, today it's just a simple thing. I've been sent out these LED lights, Oxito LEDs, and they very kindly sent me two sets, the headlights and the indicator ones, and they're LEDs. So what we're going to do is we're going to try them in one side because it's daylight. I'm going to put them in one side, try it through day, and then I'll come out later tonight, put them both on and see the proper difference, and then we'll swap them all over. But very kind, so a big shout out to Oxito. Thank you very much. I mean, much appreciated. So let's get these fitted and let's see how they actually look and how much better they are. So we'll get the bonnet popped and we'll get on with it, guys. When I get the key. Got the key, so let's get the bonnet popped. Then we'll show you. It's a very simple fix. The bulbs that are in, we just swap in for LED lights, which obviously I reckon are going to be 100 times better. Hopefully we can get to it without taking the light out or bumper off, but we won't know. This one's not hard to get off anyway, so I'll just get a screwdriver. Now we'll just check this screw out here. This light needs fixing bottom bracket anyway, so we'll just use this one for example, and then later on we'll do the other side, like say when it's dark, because we want to see transformation through day and then on a night as well. So let's get this off. I'll put the link in description below for them as well, because like I say, from what I've seen they are really good. So I'm quite excited to see how it goes actually. Let's check this out. Right, so we're going to change this bulb. I'm going to get the new ones. Like I say guys, very nice packaging. I've already opened it. It had plastic around it too. Then obviously when you open it up, they come in a nice little set like that, which is very nice. They look good. So we're going to push it into place, and then we'll change the indicator one too, and then we're going to have a look and see what they're like. Try not to touch too much of it. I should have put some gloves on, but I've run out. Should just push into place, like so. That's that one in, guys. Straight for your bulb back into the back. Make sure you twist it into place. These ones are quite annoying to do with these. Got one in. There we go guys. Indicator one. I think that's going to be in here. We're going to check if these needed doing anyway, all the paint that they put on them to make them red coming off anyway. We'll get the new one. I'll show you these ones as well. These again guys go in a really cool box, and they're in a package sealed, so you know they're not damaged. try to get you in best position. Obviously. Yeah, the link will be in the description below, sorry guys. Look how cool I look. Oh, let's get it in guys. Perfect fit first time. I give them sizes and they've come perfect straight away. No pissing about. Make sure it's fastened in, or wires are on. Right guys, that's the original normal halogen bulb. As you can see, not that bright. Now that, if you look, is the LED Oxyto. Now it's a bit bright, I mean the sun is beaming down on this, so I'm going to do it tonight and show you. But we'll put the indicator on now. I'll turn it off so you can see it and then turn it back on. Off guys. On. That's the indicator guys. And look at that. That's a beast. 100 times better. I'll just show you to this side. So what we'll do now is we'll get the camera set up and I'm going to put this light's on, but I'll put the indicator on. Oh yeah, look at that guys. That indicator and that light is so much duller. So much duller. It is unbelievable. And like I say, these are the old ones, they're the new. So I'm going to show you new again, and then later on we're going to try them in the dark. We'll do it on the dark with just that side in, testing, comparing. But me personally, it's a thumbs up from me so far. They're amazing. You know, I want them for all the cars that I've got now. So what we're going to do is put you back here. I'm just going to show you the difference again with the indicator. Look at the difference in that guys. How much clearer and brighter is that? And the sun is beaming down on this at the minute. So we'll be back out later when it's dark guys. Right guys, it's a bit darker now, sun's going down, so I'm going to turn it on and we'll see what it's like with the new LEDs in compared to the halogen. So let's just turn the lights on. Wow. Alright guys, look at the difference. Bloody hell. Look at that. Compared to that. Real close up. That's the old one. That's a new. That transformation is unbelievable. Now I'm going to put the hazards on. And again guys, that's the indicator on the passenger side. Not very noticeable really. Look at that. That is so bright, it's unbelievable compared to that. Big difference. So what we're going to do now is swap this one to make it the same as that one. So let's get on with it guys. Let's turn them off for a minute. So same process guys, just put the light out, put the old bulbs out and put the LED lights in. I've already took the screw out earlier because it was going to get dark, which we know. So pull the light out. I think I need me just to pop the clips off. There we go. I'll pull it out. A bit fidgety. There we go, we're out. Oh, got the old crappy bulbs out. Let's get the LED indicator. These are here, so these indicators, I'll show you them now. You can just tell with the quality. They have got to be well worth the money. I would highly recommend them. Highly. I mean, this is a fairly old car, but it makes it look a hell of a lot more modern. So, when I find the bit that I've just put down, which is there, put that in. Check it out. We want the headlight bulb out. Again, guys, just plug and play. It's 2 minutes. Remember the bulb's hot because I've just had it on. Ow. Old bulb. And I'll show you the new one again. Like I say, it comes in a nice box. Big difference though guys. Let's get this one in. Get the old crappy one out of the way. So we'll get it twisted in. Again guys, got to make sure we get it in the right way. So, hopefully we'll see. Let's get it set back in place. Awkward to get in because the clips are at the bottom. That's the one. Right, don't forget guys, the link is in the description, and I'll put my pass in as well. It's a code and you'll get a discount off it, so I'll make sure I put it in, but you'll have to check the link. Like I say, 100% recommend these Oxito LED light. They're amazing. So I'm going to put them on now and show you again. Let's look at that, guys. Look at that. How clear do they look? Now what I'll do is I'll turn the lights off, and then we'll just put the indicators on so you can see them. Look how bright they are. See how much modern it makes the car look. It's crackers. So like I say guys, the 100% I definitely recommend them. It makes your car look so much better. They're so much brighter, it's unbelievable. Clearer, it's like crystal. Again, thank you for sending me them out. Oxito, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And I just want to give you a good thumbs up and 100 out of 100 for me. Therefore, thanks a lot. So there you go guys, and they're easy to fit like I say. So make sure you check out the description and you can pick up your own. Cheers. So I'll see you on the next ones. Take it easy guys. Ta-ra.